Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today I am back with a sleepwear try-on haul and I have a bunch of cute little PJs to share with you. Now is the time to get those cozy PJs out. We're almost officially in the fall, my favorite kind of weather to wear cute PJs and loungewear. So I did get these items from the brand Ekouaer. You can find these on Amazon and I'll link everything in today's video down below as well as in my blog, so make sure to check it out. But I'm really excited, so let's go ahead and get started. So here are all the pieces that I got, and I have gotten some clothing in the past from this brand and I absolutely love it. The quality is incredible. So I'm very excited to try out these new PJs and see how they feel and what they look like. So I do have some here, but we're going to go ahead and start off first with the item that I'm wearing. So this one here is like a sleep shirt and it's beautiful. Love everything about the sleep shirt. It's in this beautiful tie-dye color, light blue with pink and purple. My favorite colors, and I love the fact that it has this like little slit here in the front. This is a size small in case you're wondering, but I will link it down below just like every other piece that I will show in today's video. This PJ is adorable. I love that it's a two-piece PJ. It has the short sleeve top and then it has these capris. They are short and they are so pretty. This is the perfect fall outfit because it's not super cold during the fall season, but it's not hot either, so it's like kind of in between. So this is definitely the perfect PJ and it's pink. Like, it's absolutely adorable. The quality is really nice. It's very soft, breathable material, very soft on the skin. It's not itchy, and it has this adorable print of like little flowers throughout the whole entire PJ. But I think this PJ is really pretty. I'm loving it. Whoa, this PJ is so beautiful. It's so luxurious, so elegant. It is gorgeous. It's very satiny and soft, very breathable. And I love that it's not like super long on the sleeves. I always have that issue that my PJs, whenever I have like a long sleeve shirt, it's like so long. This is perfect. And the bottoms are so beautiful. They have this like elastic waistband, very stretchy. Everything here in today's video is a size small and it's definitely true to size. I always toggle between medium and small, but I decided to go with small this time, and honestly it's perfect. I mean, I could have definitely gotten a medium just to make it a little bit more like roomy, but small is perfect. And it has like the buttons. It's just such a cute little elegant PJ, and it's a two set. Absolutely stunning. The bottom has like the little strip here to match the top. I don't know you girls, but this is definitely giving me like a Victoria's Secret vibes, but in black. Like, how pretty. Perfect for October. Up next is this beautiful pajama top. It's in this beautiful light pink color, my favorite color. And this one is only the top. It doesn't come with the bottom, but you can style it with any pants, any shorts. So I did use the pants from the other set and it looks perfect, so you can definitely switch it up. This can also honestly be used with some jeans, and I love the fact that it's like fitted on the top, but then it's like nice and loose on the bottom. It's so pretty and the quality is incredible. It's super soft and very stretchy. This one is my favorite. It is so beautiful. I love this PJ so much. It's so cozy, so soft. Quality is incredible. Like, when I say that it's incredible, it's honestly the best material ever. It's super breathable. I have other PJs and other outfits from this same brand from over 3 years ago, and it's honestly still the same. It's soft and I've washed it many times and it doesn't lose the shape, it doesn't lose the texture, anything. So it's definitely really high quality and I love it. So this one here has little pockets. It's a two-piece PJ. It has the pants, and the pants has like the little like strip here to match the top, which is absolutely adorable. The pants do have pockets. Like, how cute is that? And then the top has like little buttons and pink and black. It's like the perfect combination, definitely giving me like Barbie vibes. And up next I have this super comfy extra long t-shirt dress. This is so pretty. It's so soft. It has like little buttons. It's black with a white stripe, which looks very, very elegant. This is like perfect for those mornings that you just want to get out of bed, make breakfast, and you're still wearing something that it's not like so revealing. And I think this is such a nice little PJ. Very, very comfortable. So if you're not into two-piece pajama sets, this will definitely be a great option for you. It doesn't have any pockets. It's just like simple, but it's very soft and comfortable at the same time. Here's another comfy option if you like sleep shirts. This one here is a satin sleep shirt. It has buttons all the way down, and it also has this like little slit on the side, which is so cute and so girly. The sleeves are only halfway sleeves, which I absolutely love. The quality is amazing. It's not that stretchy, but it's so soft and very, very silky. And it's in this beautiful peach color. It does come in multiple colors, and I also got it in a size small. So that was it for today. I hope you loved today's video. Let me know in the comments down below which PJ was your favorite. I'm going to link everything that I mentioned in today's video down below, as well as in my blog. And I hope you all have an amazing and incredible rest of your week. I love you all so much, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!